let's just go in here. Let's say we want to actually 3D print this house or to get some accurate measurements or even model this by meters. Well, the way we can do that is up here by overlays. If we click the down arrow, we can go here and we can actually pick edge length. So let's click here. So now if I select an edge, say this guy and this guy, we can see that it's 2 meters. Now, if you want to change it from meters to feet, what we can do is we can go into the scene properties, go underneath units, and right now we have it as a metric. We can see that unit scale is 1. So it's 1 for 1. So this says it's 2 meters in a virtual space. That means it is 2 meters in real life. This is great if you want to export it as a to 3D print. So we have that. We can change it to imperial. You can see now it's in feet, and we can just change it back to metric, like nothing happened. And what we can do is we can just select, let's say, a face, and we can see how big that face is. So this is really useful if you want to get accurate measurements. And then, of course, if you want to disable it, go back to overlays, go underneath measurements, and just deselect edge length.